Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to split a database in Microsoft Access. This is an incredibly useful process that separates your database into two parts, a front end for forms and queries, and a back end for tables, which makes it easier to manage data and share it across multiple users without performance issues. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. First things first, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Once you launch the application, navigate to the specific database file you want to work with and open it. Wait for the software to fully load along with all your data. This initial loading might take a moment depending on the size of your database, so give it a few seconds to ensure everything is properly loaded and ready to go. Once the software has loaded along with your data, we can begin the actual splitting process. To split a database in Microsoft Access, start by clicking on the Database Tools tab located on the top part of your screen. This tab is home to various database management features, and it's where you'll find all the tools needed for this task. When you click on it, a menu will appear with several options. From here, look at the bottom of the menu and click on Access Database. This section contains the splitting functionality we need. The splitting a database process is pretty much straightforward from this point. From the Access Database button, you'll see the Split Database button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to choose where you want to save your backend database file. Select the database file you wish to split by clicking on it to select, then click on Split to proceed. Access will now process your request and split that file database from the database tools. This might take a few moments depending on how large your database is, so be patient while the system works through the separation. Once the split is complete, you'll have two separate database files. The back end will contain all your tables and data, while the front end will have your forms, queries, and reports linked to that back end. This setup allows multiple users to access the front end simultaneously while all working with the same centralized data stored in the back end. And that's it. You've successfully split your Microsoft Access database, making it more efficient and easier to manage across multiple users. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.